In 60 seconds, I'll show you how to turn vibration on or off on your iPhone 17, step by step. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Step 2. Tap Sounds and Haptics. Step 3. Toggle Vibrate on Ring or Vibrate on Silent to turn vibration on or off. Alternative step. To disable all vibrations, open Accessibility, tap Touch, then toggle vibration off. Follow the on-screen numbered labels and clear tap animations to guide each step. Now a quick before and after comparison. Before. With vibration on, incoming calls and alerts trigger a short haptic buzz. After. With vibration off, the phone stays silent and does not vibrate when a call arrives. Recap. Use Settings and Sounds and Haptics to control ring and silent vibration, or Accessibility Touch to disable all vibrations. Tip. Use Focus or Do Not Disturb for temporary silence without changing vibration settings. Done. For more quick iPhone 17 tips, like and subscribe.